Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix incoming call busy problem. So to learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are facing incoming call busy problem, just follow me till the end of the video and you'll know how to fix it. So the very first thing you want to do is turn off your airplane mode. It might be on your phone and you are not receiving your calls. Just tap on airplane mode on and turn it off again by tapping it again, and also make sure that your do not disturb mode is off. And now next thing you want to do is go to your settings and scroll down until you find phone and tap on it. And now you can see there is an option that says silence unknown callers. Just tap on it and make sure that it is off. Now go back to your phone section and now tap on call forwarding and make sure that it is off. And by doing it, your call will be not forwarded. And after doing this simple steps, I hope that your incoming call busy problem will be fixed. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.